What's going on, guys? Welcome back for another video. If you guys are new to the channel, please think about subscribing. It does mean a lot. And if you guys enjoy the video, please leave a like. That way more people will see the video. Other than that, let's jump right into the video. So first things first, and that's why did I even choose ISSA in the first place? Well, at the time when I was thinking about becoming a personal trainer, I looked at a ton of courses. I was also a full-time college student and I was working part-time at a local gym already. So I had a lot on my plate and I needed something that was going to be super flexible, and ISSA is super flexible. Some of the other courses are like a Saturday and Sunday course where you just go for a weekend, and I thought that was kind of crap because how can I learn all this information that I'm going to need to use with clients in 2 days? It just didn't seem like it would work. Also, some courses are like 6 months long, like the length of a full college class, and already being in college and working, I just didn't have the time to add anything else in. So ISSA actually offers the entire course online, which was perfect. You could do it as fast as you want, as slow as you want. You could take your time. You could start and go back to it. It was just super flexible and it worked for me. It worked perfectly around my college schedule and my work schedule. On top of that, I checked out their message boards and it was nothing but positive and great reviews. So that was very beneficial and made me more confident in the program. I also called their hotline and they answered within seconds, and every person that I talked to from their hotline was extremely helpful. The last great thing about this course as well is that all major gyms accept the certification. I personally worked at LA Fitness. They accept it. I know Planet Fitness accepts it, Retro Fitness, any of the big name gyms in your area should accept this certification. So the next big thing that everybody is wondering or wants to know is how much did I pay for the course and how much is the course currently going for? So when I signed up, I paid $724 and they threw in a free Series 1 Apple Watch. So technically I paid $624 and then another $100 for the Apple Watch, which was a pretty good deal at the time. They run different specials all the time, so you gotta keep your eye out. But currently it is going for $799, and on top of the personal training course, they're gonna throw in a free nutritional course. So if you guys wanted to get certified in nutrition as well as a personal training course, there you go, you got it. They throw it in for free. Now, I'm gonna leave a link down below. Because I'm already a personal trainer with ISSA, if you sign up using my link, they're actually gonna give you $100 off of your course. So if you use my link, it'll bring it down to $699, which is even cheaper than I paid. So, and you'll still get the free nutritional course, so that's awesome. So definitely take advantage of that. Now, the way that the payments work is you can pay it all at once, which would be $699. You could pay it in 2 payments, which would be $350 in 2 different payments, or you could pay it in 12 months and it would be $58 per month, which really isn't bad. One thing that I have to make clear though is if you rush through the certification and you get certified, say within 2 weeks, you have to have your course completely paid off before they will issue you your certification. So make sure that you're timing it correctly, depending on when you can actually make your payments. So make sure that you're gonna finish your course and be able to pay it off at the same time. All right, guys, so now I'm gonna break down exactly how to complete this course step by step. So after you use my link and you sign up for this course, it's gonna bring you right here to your dashboard. So the first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna wait for your textbooks to come. So you're gonna get 3 books, textbook, a workbook, and a physical fitness book, pretty much saying how to start your own business if you wanna not work for like LA Fitness or something like that, and you wanna go off on your own. Now the workbook, you don't have to complete. It's just for extra studying, that's all it is. All right, so now once you're on your dashboard, what you're gonna do is you're gonna go to week 1, you're gonna click on quiz, and as you can see, there's 2 quizzes. So usually it's chapter 1 and chapter 2. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna read chapter 1, take the quiz, read chapter 2, take the quiz. So now you're done your quizzes for week 1. Now you're gonna click on final exam prep, and it's gonna either give you an essay or something like this. So for week 1, they want you to get CPR and AED certified. They actually offer an online CPR course on their website. It's $49. It takes about 45 minutes to complete, and as soon as you're done, it'll show up that you've completed a CPR course. You have to be CPR certified to finish your certification. If you don't use the one that they provide, you're going to have to prove that you are certified by submitting forms saying that you're certified through American Heart Association or Red Cross. So I suggest just doing it on here. It's a lot easier to complete the CPR course online. Now let me break down the weeks for you. So week 1, you're going to have to get CPR certified. And like I said, I recommend you do it on their website because it's easier. If you actually want to learn how to do CPR, I recommend you take an in-person class because you can't really learn how to do CPR without doing it hands-on, but that's a different story. So like I said, week 1, you have to get CPR certified, and there's 2 quizzes. Week 2, you have 1 essay and 1 quiz. Week 3, 1 essay, 4 quizzes. Week 4, no essay, 1 quiz. Week 5, 1 essay, 4 quizzes. Week 6, 1 essay, 4 quizzes. Week 7, 1 essay, 4 quizzes. Week 8, 1 essay, 9 quizzes. Week 9, there's no essay and 2 quizzes. And week 10, it's just the final exam, as you can see right here. There's nothing here, it just says final exam. So when you're doing this course, there is 31 total quizzes throughout the weeks and 6 essays. Now they call them weeks, and I don't like that because, like I said earlier, you don't have to do this in a week, and you don't have to do this by the second week. You could do it and take as long as you need to do it. It's just a matter of getting it done whenever you're able to. So don't worry about it being called week. Just think of it as like a section. So like I said, there's 6 essays. These essays you're going to save them to a Word document, and you're going to keep them for the final exam. When you go to take the final exam, it's 150 multiple choice, true and false, and matching questions, 6 essays, and 2 case studies. Them 6 essays are going to be the exact same essays that you did throughout these weeks or these sections. So make sure you save them when you do them, because you can literally just copy and paste them from your Word document to the final exam. A lot of the questions from these quizzes are going to show up in your final exam, so pay attention to that. A big thing about the final exam, you can take as long as you need to complete it. Once you start the final exam, you can start it, take a day or 2 off, and then go back to it. There is no time limit on when you have to complete it. You don't have to do it all in one shot, so stop stressing out, stop worrying. The next thing, so like I said, there's 150 multiple choice, true and false, and matching. A lot of them questions come from the quizzes. The 6 essays you're already going to do throughout the weeks. And now on to the case studies. So there's 2 case studies. For example purposes, each case study that I did was about 2,500 words. So pretty much what you're going to do is you're going to go to the back of the workbook, and they give you sample case studies. Study them for when you write your own. Pretty much you want to be as detailed as possible. Act like you're about to train somebody that has never stepped foot into a gym in their life. You want to make it from the very beginning, how you obtain the client, how you're going to get them to sign up, how you're going to take their measurements, how you're going to give them a fitness assessment. You're going to plan out a 12-week workout plan for them, and you're going to give them general diet guidelines. You don't have to give them like a whole nutritional plan of what they're going to eat. You just have to give them basic guidelines. But take your time on these, and like I said, be as detailed as you possibly can, because they look for that and they pay attention. Also, aim to be above 2,000 words. So another great thing about using ISSA for your training certification is some of the tools that they offered, and the main one being their video exercises. So go to study aids, go down to Hyperstrike exercise videos, and this is great for when you're actually certified and you're a trainer and you're looking to make new workout routines. They have just about every body part that you could think of and a list of workouts. So let's go to biceps. You can see alternating curl standing versus seated. You got the arm curl machine, dumbbell curl seated, low pulley rows. They have a ton of different exercises, no matter what the muscle group is. Even if you want to work out your neck, they have neck exercises. So when you're actually a trainer and you're looking to make new workout plans, this is probably the best tool. I can't even tell you how many times I've used this to make all kinds of different workout plans for my actual clients. So I just want to hit on 2 main points really quick before I end off this video. If you are not CPR certified, before you complete the course, they will not send you a certification in the mail. So that is a requirement. You have to be CPAR certified either through them or through another one. Like I said, you have to prove that you're certified through like Red Cross or something like that. The last thing being, you have to have the full course paid off before they send you your certification in the mail. Both of those things have to be done before they will send it to you. The last thing that I wanted to mention, I actually have a video on my channel of what it was like being a personal trainer at LA Fitness. If you guys are interested in that, check it out. I'll leave a link in the description. And if you guys are planning to sign up for this program, make sure you use that link down below because it's a free $100 off of the price. So, I mean, why wouldn't you? But that's all I got for you guys today. I really hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you stuck around because I gave you guys some great tips to complete it. If I missed anything, leave a comment down below and I'll get right back and I'll answer it as soon as possible. But as always, guys, I will see you guys in the next video.
Feel like I'm destined. I don't need no Smith and Wesson. Girl, who you testing? Fuck your schedule, who's your lesson? Life and intestine, taking shots with all your breath.